Yo, 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 what's up? Welcome to the Food Zone where we take this journey together, learn the recipes as one. Today we're going to make a Cheetos Deviled Egg. This is really original and it seems to be a trend and it's something that really tastes good. So we have the hard-boiled eggs, Cheetos, mayonnaise, and mustard and mixing bowl. So the thing we're going to do is take the yolk out, put it in the mixing bowl. We'll add mayonnaise and mustard, and then we'll take it to the Cheetos. Alright, YouTube, so we got the yolk in there, and we got these Cheetos in a Ziploc bag. So start crushing these. And then we'll add the mayonnaise, mustard, and some Cheetos. Alright, mayonnaise is in, and mustard is next. Mustard's in, and then mix. Alright, so we have the mustard and mayonnaise mixed. Now we have these Cheetos that are crushed. So throw a little bit in there and just mix it. Then when we're done, we'll put it in the egg and top it with some more Cheetos. Alright, so we have that egg and the mixture. You're going to want to take that and fill both of these eggs. So just fill both of the eggs like you were making with deviled eggs, and then we're going to top it with Cheetos. Alright, YouTube, so there you have it. You have that mixture in there. And now we're going to take the Cheetos thing and sprinkle that around. I'm telling you, this will be a tasty deviled egg. A little messy, but definitely worth it. So food can be done with imagination and creativity. So there you have it, your Cheetos Deviled Eggs. Please subscribe if you want to have other recipes like this and to see new ideas, and then we'll go back in time. So peace, love you, God bless, bye bye. Dansoy.